Hello friends, welcome to our channel Chosen Foods. Today we will roam around the streets and alleys of North Kolkata and will taste some of the famous street food of the city of joy. We began our walk from the Hathibagan crossing. This is one of the busiest roads of the city and you will find numerous options of authentic and delicious street food on both sides of this road. First, we went to a famous kachori shop which is roughly 100 meters away from the crossing. The specialty of these kachoris is the stuffing. The crushed, spicy urad dal or moong dal stuffing make the taste heavenly. In this shop, kachori is served with Rani potato curry. That also tastes awesome. We paid ₹12 for 3 pieces of kachori and sabji. No breakfast is complete without a dessert. After kachori, we had jalebi or in Bengali, jilipi. The freshly fried jalebis dipped in sugar syrup was just fabulous. In this particular shop, per piece of jalebi costs ₹4. If you don't want such a heavy breakfast, you will have a lighter option here, and that is samosa or shingara. A samosa is a kind of fried dumpling stuffed with spicy potatoes. It also tastes awesome. Since kachori and jalebi are the most famous Bengali breakfast, you can see a lot of people come to these shops early in the morning. Just opposite this shop, there is a tea stall. This tea stall also serves breakfast. The items here are simple butter toast, egg poach or traditional paratha and aloo dum or spicy potato curry. We came here and had their famous milk tea or doodh cha. During our stay here, we saw most of the customers of this stall are asking for paratha and aloo dum and fried eggs. So we can say that this is their specialty. We then crossed the road and came to the other side of the street. Here we found another kachori shop which is a little big and more famous also. It is named after its owner. The name of this shop is Godar Kochuri. It is just at the Hathibagan crossing. This shop serves kachori with traditional Rani potato curry or they offer traditional Kolkata style aloo dum with kachori. In the dessert section, they have many options like plain jalebi, amriti jalebi and malpua. A plate of kachori and jalebi costs around ₹15 here. From here, we moved towards Shyambajar 5-point crossing. We left the main road and took alleys to reach there. In one such alley, we saw many people eating littis. Litti is a famous breakfast option of Indian state Bihar. Here, this roadside stall roasts litti over a traditional clay oven. They use the wide cover of a stand fan as their grill, and no doubt it is quite interesting. They serve litti with mashed potato or aloo chokha and dhania chutney or spicy coriander sauce. Moving further, we saw another big litti stall. Here they had fried litti along with the roasted one. Other than aloo chokha and dhania chutney, they have tomato chutney or tomato sauce also. After the litti stall, we came to another street food stall. This stall sells toast and different types of fried eggs. They have simple egg toast, butter toast and a large variety of fried eggs. You will get toast omelette within ₹20. Moving further, we came to another stall which serves chole bhatura. The soft and hot bhatura attracts many people in this particular area. Other than chole, the shop also offers aloo dum with batura. Opposite this, we found a little food stall selling roti, sabji and scrambled egg. The soft rotis and spicy potato curry attract numerous people to this particular shop. At this point, we finish our food tour around North Kolkata. Please let us know your opinion in the comment section below. Your comments are precious to us. Thank you.